Most investors think running comps is pretty straightforward. You find a few similar properties, average them out, and that gives you your ARV. But here's the problem. Most comps are lying to you. Not because the data is wrong, but because the interpretation is. Two houses can look identical on paper, same square footage, same bed and bath count, and be worth $30,000, $50,000, $75,000 off. Why? Because the market doesn't price homes based on spreadsheets. It prices them based on perception, condition, layout, location within the neighborhood, how updated it feels, how it shows. Those things don't show up cleanly in data fields. And here's where investors get in trouble. They treat all comps equally. They'll take 3 or 4 sales, average them, and assume that number is reliable. But in reality, one of those comps might be carrying most of the weight, and the others are just noise. If you don't understand which comp the market is actually reacting to, you're not analyzing the deal. You're blending together unrelated data and hoping it makes sense. The best investors don't just pull comps, they interpret them and they ask which one truly mirrors buyer behavior. Which one would a real buyer compare this property to? And which ones don't really matter? Because one strong comp will tell you more than 5 average ones ever will. Go to jrhvaluations.net/investor to find out more how we can help.